In this video, you'll see a woman who tried postural rehab but still struggled with pain until she visited Dr. Boris. After one powerful adjustment, everything changed. Her posture, her movement, her life.
Sometimes you do feel cracks, sometimes not, but it's a good stretch. Relax. One more. Okay. Did you feel anything? No pain, right? Hold it like this, hold it like that. Hold it in, hold it in, hold it, and out. Relax the shoulders more. And out, 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 out. Wow. Completely let go right here. Good. Relax more. Let go.
Oh my God.
What'd you feel? What'd you say?
I said we have to do that again on the other side.
Let's go. Relax more.
Oh my God.
Wow. Oh my God is right. You okay?
Yeah.
And relax more. One more, one more. That's it. Wow.
Oh.
Nice.
My goodness.
And let go.
Ooh.
Wow. Let go. Nice. Whew. Felt that one? Let's go this side. Let go, let go. Nice. And breathe out. Can you relax your belly?
Oh.
Holy moly. How was that?
Crunchy.
All the way down?
Yes.
Nice.
Oh man.
How you feel?
I feel.
5 out of 5? Or 10 out of 10?